Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set up fingerprints on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work for the Samsung Galaxy S26 and the S26 Plus as well. And quickly, what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you find the lock screen and AOD option. Go ahead and select that, and then at the top you should be able to find the lock screen and biometrics option. Select that as well. And now just at the bottom you should be able to find the add your fingerprint option. But keep in mind that before you can set up a fingerprint, you need to have your password, pin or pattern set up. This is just in case of emergency where your fingerprint does not work. So if you do not have your password, pin or pattern already set up, if you tap on the set or add a fingerprint option, you will automatically be required to first of all set up a pin, then your fingerprint, or a password, then your fingerprint, or you can also go for a pattern, then your fingerprint. But if in your case you already have either of your password, pin or pattern set up, then you will be taken into the fingerprint setup page. But for now, I'll just go ahead and select on the pattern and fingerprint option, and then I'll just go ahead and enter my pattern. Click on the continue button and then just confirm your pattern as well. And once you set up your pattern, you should now be taken into the fingerprint setup page. So tap on confirm, then tap on done. Go ahead and click on continue as well, and now we are on the fingerprint page. Tap on continue as well, and now you just want to click on register at the bottom to register your fingerprint. Now all you just have to do is to place your finger continuously on the fingerprint sensor over here until it actually captures every part of your finger. Okay, so mine has just captured everything, and all I just have to do now is to tap on the done button at the bottom. So now if I lock my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, I can simply open it by just placing my finger over here and it automatically just opens up. Please let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.